Hey folks, Thack with A-OK Foraging and Adventures here with
Brenda.
And we are going to show you how to cook up some cicadas for our What the Food Friday. We'll be right back. Well, that was pretty easy to cook up. As you guys saw, I took the wings off so it won't get stuck on your throat sometimes. And this is what they look like after they're cooked up. See? Just look like a little piece of black larva. Turd. But before we go on, I want everybody to know this video, the reason why we're doing it is because of the big craze of the 17-year cicada and the 13-year cicada, all these cicada stuff going on right now. We've actually had these in the freezer for a while. And I also want to dedicate this video to my coworker, Kelly. She tells me I'm gross.
Oh,
really? Anyways, they should have a nice little crunch. I've had them. I love them. Our rating system is 1 being cicada out of here. 5 means cicada in my mouth. All right? All right, guys. Here we go. Grab yours, honey. Any of them.
Okay.
Oh, crunchy.
Turd with legs.
Buttery.
They are.
Really a little bit salty. It's like popcorn, isn't it? Oh, yeah. Shit. I just dropped one.
They're like...
oh, crap.
Buttery puff. Popcorn.
Puff popcorn at that. Yeah. I like it.
Go for it.
Anyways, that was good. She likes it. But my rating is a 5 because I've always loved them. What's your rating? No more left.
I would say a 4.
A 4 for Brenda. Hey, look at that.
They are good. It's not like a go-to thing, but...
But hey, if you needed to survive every 17 years or 13 years or whatever it is, you could.
And also, I think they're better if it was like fresh.
Yeah.
They're much better.
Yeah. So she's had them. She's just making these weird faces for nothing. Well, here you go, folks. That's what we gave it. A 4 and a 5. If you guys can find them, cook them. But I do want to warn everybody, if you're allergic to shellfish, please do not eat them. Supposedly they're kin to shrimp or something like that. I don't know.
Weird.
But don't eat it if you guys have bad allergies, all right? So get out in the woods and go get yourself some cicadas. Until next time, may all your adventures be A-OK. Oh, look, spicy Asian. Woo!